Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we have another Amazon package. We're going to go and see what this is. So we're going to go and open the seal right now. Okay, get this seal. Alright, so this is the Sharpisco Power Bank. Universal, high quality, using reusable materials, recyclable. That's good. So this is a 20,000 milliamp power bank. We're going to test it out. Alright, so let's go and open this. It has a nice little rope thing. Alright, let's go and open the package. It's in a little sleeve. If I can get it out. There it is. So here's a power bank. Looks really nice. Like the nice gold accents here. 84%. It does have a screen. There we go. That looks nice. Alright, so I really like the gold rims. It's made out of plastic. Even this right here, this gold, is made out of plastic. It has a USB charging, as well as a USB Type-C charging. This might be an input or an output. I needed to see if it is an input or an output. So recharging seems to be, it looks like it says both ways, but we're gonna go ahead and test that out. And it also comes with a micro USB cable. So yeah, that's everything that's in the package. Just gonna put that to the side. We're gonna test it out, see if it's USB Type-C. USB Type-C charging. Nothing has popped up, so it could be just, oh, there we go. Okay, so it is charging. Okay, and then let me test out the micro. I'm gonna use a different cable. All right. And it is charging. All right, so we have Type-C and micro USB charging on here. I need to test out if this is able to charge as well. Oops. So let's go and check if this is able to charge devices. So if you hear a vibration, then it charges my Google Pixel. I don't hear anything. Let's go and check the status. It is not charging it. Nope. Okay, so the Type-C is only, I think it's only for, yeah, Type-C is only for charging. So that's the product. It looks really nice. 20,000 milliamps, 5 volt 2.0 amp input for both, and it's made in China. Really nice product, guys. It's only $20. I'll leave a link as always in the description, and I highly recommend it. It looks really nice. It has 3-point charging, and you can do it at the same time. So yeah, 3.0 fast charging, that's nice. Thanks for watching.